I've studied so many channels in the faceless YouTube automation space, and let me tell you, there are some amazing opportunities out there to grow fast and make money without ever showing your face. In this video, I'm going to share 6 of the best faceless YouTube niches that you can start today, even if you don't have any special skills. I'll also show you real examples of channels that are doing great in these niches. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Reddit story channels. These channels are all about sharing interesting and engaging stories from Reddit. They don't require a lot of editing or fancy visuals, but they work because people love hearing real-life stories. For example, there's a channel called Wild Redditor, which has over 136,000 subscribers and an incredible 118 million views in total. They started in June 2024 and have already achieved massive success. The idea is simple. Find cool stories on subreddits like r/askreddit or r/pro-revenge, narrate them with some visuals like screenshots or gameplay, and upload. It's an easy-to-start niche with huge potential. Next is storytelling channels. There are so many new channels in this niche that are pulling in millions of views. This niche is timeless because everyone loves a good story, whether it's motivational, horror, or funny. You can easily create these videos by writing your own stories, finding public domain content, or even using tools like ChatGPT to generate ideas. Then add some visuals, a nice voiceover, and you're good to go. However, a quick disclaimer. YouTube has been known to take action against channels in this niche due to concerns about misinformation. If you're working in this niche, it's crucial to make it clear to your viewers that these are fictional stories. This not only builds trust, but also protects your channel from potential issues. Speaking of building a successful YouTube channel, if you've ever wondered how to pick the right niche, grow your audience, or monetize your content effectively, you don't have to figure it all out on your own. At Digital YouTube Academy, we help creators like you master the art of YouTube. Whether you're just starting out or looking to optimize your existing channel, we provide step-by-step guidance, personalized consultations, and all the tools you need to succeed. If you're serious about growing your channel, check the link in the description to join the amazing fellow creators just like you and get started today. Now, let's talk about health-focused channels. Health is a topic that will always be in demand. A great example is Health Vibes Zone, which got monetized in just 33 days by creating videos on health tips, wellness hacks, and simple lifestyle advice. You don't need to be a doctor or expert to start. You can do your research, create short, easy-to-understand videos, and share tips that people can use in their daily lives. It's an evergreen niche with endless possibilities for content. One niche that's really unique and exciting is anime-themed self-help videos. This is a new twist on the self-improvement space that blends personal growth tips with engaging anime visuals. This niche is set to blow up in 2025, and we're already seeing channels succeed in it. For example, Incognito CEO gained over 200,000 subscribers with just 15 videos, averaging 109,000 views per month. Another channel, Fame Inspector, reached 103,000 subscribers with just 12 videos, averaging more than 450,000 views per month and earning close to $2,000. The beauty of this niche is you can tackle topics like building discipline, gaining confidence, and breaking bad habits while using anime clips to make it fun and engaging. You don't need to be an anime expert either. You can easily find clips online to use. Movie and series explanation channels are another brilliant option. People love these because they help viewers understand complicated storylines or give them insights into movies they might not have time to watch. One great example is Dexecutioner, which gained over 1.6 million views with just 6 videos since starting in October 2024. The process is simple. Pick a popular movie or show, explain its story or hidden details, and use clips or stills to highlight key points. It's a niche that thrives on curiosity, and the content is easy to create. Finally, let's talk about making money online with AI. This niche combines two booming trends, earning money online and using AI tools. It's incredibly profitable, with an RPM ranging from $7 to $10 per thousand views. Channels like 10x Income, with over 337,000 subscribers and just 64 videos, have revealed their earnings, and it's impressive. Another example is Isaac, who grew to 140,000 subscribers with only 5 videos. There's also Digital Income Project, which earns over $2,000 a month with just 41 videos. The content in this niche focuses on tools, tips, and strategies for making money online, often with the help of AI. If you're interested in this space, it's a fantastic opportunity to combine technology and creativity to grow your channel. These 6 niches offer something for everyone. Whether you're into stories, health, anime, movies, or AI, there's a faceless YouTube niche that can work for you. The best part? You don't need expensive equipment, a big budget, or a lot of experience to get started. All you need is consistency and the willingness to create valuable content. So, which niche are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your YouTube channel. Remember, the hardest part is getting started, but once you do, the possibilities are endless. See you in the next video.